Months ago, I ran a little research asking business owners their biggest challenge with selling on WhatsApp. And I got many replies, including this particular one. And that is what I'm going to tackle in this particular video. If this sounds like what you're currently struggling with, then sit tight so that we can discuss it. And you can get the solution that you use to get the audience that you desire. And not just getting them, but then audiences that will pay you, not just audiences that will be on your WhatsApp. And I get it. I get the struggle because few years ago I saw skincare products on WhatsApp. Yes, I saw skincare products, and these are like things that women want to use. These are beauty products. These are things that are supposed to make women glow, look good, clear their skin, clear their hyperpigmentation, clear their black spots and their acne. Yet I was so broke and depressed and frustrated. I didn't have money, but I was selling something on WhatsApp. What was I doing wrong? I was getting it all wrong. I didn't know what I was doing. I was just on WhatsApp, hoping, posting and hoping that I get results, that someone buys. Those business owners that will literally be begging, please buy from me. That was me. That was the type of business owner I was. Whereas I was a solution provider. So why should I be begging you to buy from me? It is because I did not understand my value. Likewise, some other business owners that will come and post and be like, please buy my products, please buy what I sell. You're a solution provider, for crying out loud. So back to the story. This was me. I was broke, and I was selling on WhatsApp. Two things that are they're not supposed to like correlate. I mean, how can you be selling something and be broke? It's because you don't know what you're doing. So I understand it. So when I tell you that I understand your struggle, believe me, because I've been there. I have won that shoe. And that is why I went ahead to create this bundle, the WhatsApp Sales Growth Bundle. This is a bundle that has 10 plus tools and resources. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 till 10 that will help you, no, 10 plus rather, that will help you as a business owner to sell confidently, consistently, to sell with clarity, with structure on WhatsApp. That will literally help you consistently pack money on WhatsApp. Now, if you're interested in checking out the bundle, there's a link in the description box. Go there, click it, and check it out. Or you can also go to the first pinned comment in this video and click the link there. Now, before we go into the strategies, let's discuss this first, which is your audience being small on WhatsApp. Some people just have their friends and their family on WhatsApp. Those are not your ideal audience, so you cannot work with that. So first of all, if you have just your friends and your family on WhatsApp, they are there to support you, but emotionally, not financially. They are not the ones that will give you the money that we are looking for. So now, first of all, we have to go out there and look for the ideal customers, people that will spend their money on you, people that will give you that money that you're looking for. So first things first, you have to make your WhatsApp look attractive. That is not the main strategy, but this is what you have to do. Go and make your WhatsApp attractive. Before you start bringing people in, your WhatsApp needs to look attractive. And that means a clear and friendly profile picture, which could be your face or a clean brand image. A display name that shows your business value, not just things like fine boy Jimmy, fine boy Jimmy. And also, most importantly, an about section that tells people about what you do. Don't leave those places empty. Go now, go to your WhatsApp business. If you are not using WhatsApp business, please leave the ordinary WhatsApp, download WhatsApp business, and make sure that all these things are being put in place. Another thing is for you to define your audience. Now, remember, we're not just looking for contacts. We don't want to have 2,000 contacts on WhatsApp, yet none is paying, yet none is buying, none is looking your way. When you post on your WhatsApp status, you have 2,000 contacts, yet barely 50 watch your status, barely 50 engage with you, engage with your content. They don't react, they don't do anything, they are just there occupying space. And we don't want that. We don't want people that will just sit down and occupy space. We want people that will give us the money, that will, really seek the products we are offering, that really wants the solution we are providing, right? That is why you need to define your target audience. Who is your ideal audience? So before you start applying the strategies that you use and attract people to your WhatsApp, you have to first of all sit down and get a paper. Or if you want it the easy way, we have a customer personnel worksheet in the bundle that you can use. Get a piece of paper, talk about your audience, The customer persona will literally give you prompts. That's why, to make it easy for you, to give you prompts on what to write, so it's just there, pick it, write. You can use it as many times as you want, as if you have different customer personas. If you have two, you can always use it over and over again. So get a sheet of paper, start writing down things about your ideal audience, their age, where they live, how to behave, their goals, their motivations, their problems, stroke, their pain points. What is that thing that is always making them roll on the bed? So that is what you actually offer as a solution, right? Because you're a business owner, so you're offering solution for this her problem. So you talk about her problem, talk about her. For instance, let's say you sell premium hair, human hair on WhatsApp. So your target audience should look like this. Maybe a 36-year-old working class woman who wants to always look confident, look smart, look presentable, is always going to work and barely has time to start making her hair, braiding her hair, and start coiling and straightening her hair. She just wants a hair that she can easily brush. If there's a way she will not even brush the hair, she will appreciate that. That she can easily brush, put it on, rub her makeup, and be out of the door because she's always working. Her attention is always needed. She's a career woman, she's a big woman and all that. She just wants that comfort. She wants that confidence. She wants that ease. So now you are the solution provider. You provide that solution for her. So you have defined that your target audience, that this is what she wants. So she has the money to buy your product. But the thing is, she wants that confidence and that comfort. She wants that simplicity. She doesn't want stress. And so that when you are messaging, when you are talking to her, she understands that yes, this person has what I am looking for. She has the value that I want. So that you not be talking like you're talking to a broke Nigerian student that barely has money to sub for data. You're not speaking to her. Instead of speaking to this other woman that is your real target audience, you see, when you know who you're talking to, your message aligns. You talk to her. She understands. She hears you. She'll be like, yes, this person is talking to me. This message is meant for me and not for every other person, but for me. So get your book and get to work. So now moving on to the mentee, which are the strategies that you can use to grow on WhatsApp. The first thing is for you to leverage social media cross promotion. So identify the social media platforms where you are active. It could be Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. Go there and post your WhatsApp link there. On your TikTok profile, your Instagram bio, Facebook, post the link there. So when you create content on these different platforms, talk about your business and then direct them to that link that is on your bio. Contact me on this WhatsApp. Encourage them to always click on that WhatsApp link. You don't just leave them there, leave it to chance. Oh, if someone sees it, fine. If they don't see it, fine. No, don't leave it to chance. Please talk about it. Encourage them. Let them feel like, oh, I need to, oh God, I'm missing out. I'm missing out. If I'm not on this person's WhatsApp, I'm missing out. Maybe if her content can be this interesting on Facebook or Instagram, maybe on WhatsApp it will be. And then they will feel like, I'm entering this person's personal space because there's something about WhatsApp. Yes, not everybody wants to have you on WhatsApp. Some people just want to have you on their social media platform, but not on their WhatsApp. So they will feel, yes, there's something special about this person's WhatsApp. So let me go so that I'll be doing her status, especially if they like you and they trust you. Some people just want their inner circle on their WhatsApp, just their friends to view their status, you know. But now use that will I say FOMO, to encourage them to go to save your number and access you via WhatsApp. WhatsApp is personalized. It's mainly for chatting. Chats when friends want to chat, when they want to video call. So make your customers let them feel like yes, I'm close to this person. So use WhatsApp, okay? And post your links on these different social media platforms. So now you're gathering audience from Instagram, from Facebook, from TikTok. They're coming down to one place, WhatsApp. Especially if you're not using email, please use WhatsApp list. You don't have email list, use WhatsApp list. Secondly, join and contribute to niche groups. So you know these groups on Facebook that are for a particular niche, perhaps football niche, um, for weight loss, for cooking recipes, for crocheting, different niches. Therefore, different interest group and niches, rather, not just niches. Those groups, join them. Join them and go there. When be active on those groups. When someone posts, go and drop intelligent comments. Especially if it is something related to your business. Make them understand that yes, this is what I do, this is the solution I provide, this is my work. Talk intelligently. Okay, go and comment there. So eventually over time, some of them will be checking you out. They'll go to your profile and be like, who is this person? They'll go there. They'll see your link there, they'll click that's the WhatsApp link on your profile, and they'll from there get to know you before they'll now go and join your WhatsApp list. Like, join your WhatsApp group or your WhatsApp list. Go to your WhatsApp and save your number and all that. So share tips. Make them see you as an authority, as someone who knows her onion. Even you can even share links there, but then some of these groups they will not allow. So that's why you rather attract them. Let them come to your own social media platform. Then from there, you know that this is my territory. Then from there, they will now come to your WhatsApp. So in a day, you can just go to all these different groups, especially the one pertaining to your own niche, what you are doing. So if you're a video editor, join groups about video editing. Go there and comment. Go there and be active. Go there and post. Show yourself. Show yourself. You're a business person. Please show yourself. Don't hide. Don't be like, oh, I'm shy. Oh, I'm an introvert. No, if you want to make money as a business person, please drop that. Drop that identity. Be an extrovert, please. The confidence, even try fake the confidence. We don't care. But please, let us understand that this person is the person for us. Now, the next one is for you to run giveaways and freebies. Now, depending on what you sell, whether physical products or digital products, you give them freebies. And this freebie should be in form of a digital product because definitely you cannot start sending physical products to them. So it is digital products, something that you can easily send to them via email or WhatsApp. So now how does this work? Create something for free and give it out as a freebie. Freebie meaning it's for free. It could be that you sell premium hairs, then you go ahead and write a free article about maybe how to maintain a coily hair, a pixie coil, and then give it out as a free stuff to people. It could be that you tell them, okay, for this my freebie, you have to save my number on WhatsApp, then chat me up on WhatsApp before I can now give it to you. So when you chat me up on WhatsApp, I'll now send it to you. So now they are saving your number. They're saving your number and you're giving them that thing. So they're literally saving your number in exchange for that free thing you want to give them, for that free resources you want to give them. So you can do this on Facebook, TikTok, anywhere, so that when they save your number, they will now enter your WhatsApp. And from there, you start growing your audience on WhatsApp. Then for people that offer services, say social media management, you can also create a digital product talking about something, maybe how to something about social media management, a free resource that they can read. And then from there, you tell them that for them to get that free resource, they have to save your number, on WhatsApp. And then maybe they'll show you evidence that they saved it. And after then, they'll not chat you up or say a particular word on WhatsApp. Then quick reply will not send that book or resources rather, that free resource to them. It could be a template, it can be an ebook, checklist, So it will not send it to them. You in turn, you also save their number because you know that if they save your number and you don't save your number, they're not going to see your WhatsApp status. So you save it that way and you keep on building your audience on WhatsApp. Make sure that these people are people that would patronize you eventually. Don't just go and gather random contacts that will not be beneficial to you. Be strategic about it, okay? Make sure that you're going to the right places. Also, if you are selling digital products, there's a way around it. you have your own main digital product, then you create a freebie, which is like a short information that you can give them. It's not that you're giving them everything, it's just a short information that you give them in exchange for your number. So moving on to the next one, it is for you to collaborate with other business owners. Partner with other business owners who are likely to have your ideal customers on their own list. This could be on Facebook or Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or on WhatsApp. So now, for instance, it could be that you're selling premium hair. You can partner with a makeup artist, knowing that, okay, people that buy hair, premium hair, sometimes they want to do photo shoots, right? And they will need a makeup artist. Since their hair is looking good, they also want their face to look good. So there's a high chance that someone that is buying hair will also pay for makeup. That is, if the person is going to a wedding or planning a photo shoot and all that. Or to be specific, you can go to someone that ties gele, knowing that if this person is tying gele, that's if a customer is going to this gele tire to go and tie her gele, it means that this person will also look for a makeup artist that will do her makeup for her. She will likely look for a makeup artist. People hardly tie gele without making themselves up, or else maybe they know how to do it. So you think, who can I collaborate with? Which business owner can I work with? Who is likely to have my ideal audience, my ideal customer in their contacts? Share each other's contact list. Do joint promotion. You people are both helping each other to grow. So in doing joint promotion, it's all about both of you coming together, either online or offline, and promoting each other's products jointly. So it'd be like, okay, since I make people up, for instance, if you're a makeup artist, I also have someone that can tie your gele for you. She's reliable, she's trustworthy. If you see her work, it is good. So you already know my work is fine. This person, her work is also good. You can also post your product pictures and also post her product pictures, and she'll do the same thing on her own platform or on her own WhatsApp status. Now, if we are working jointly, you are literally taking out from her, she's taking out from you. You go and take her contact, you get her audience, she also gets your audience and adds to hers. Smart. The fifth strategy is for you to use your click to chat WhatsApp link everywhere. Like literally post it everywhere. Post it on your flyers, on your Instagram stories, or your delivery package. Put it there, your link there. If it is to scan, let them scan it and easily chat with you on WhatsApp. Don't be like, oh, let me. No, please. Market, market. Go out there and post your link everywhere. Let people make it easy for them to access you. Make it easy for them to chat you up on WhatsApp. Okay? When you do this, you will be able to grow with ease on WhatsApp. Make it easy for people to chat with you on WhatsApp. Make it easy for them to communicate with you. When you do this, the faster you will grow on WhatsApp. Now, I have to put this out there. Audience growth is nothing without engagement. You cannot just grow your audience and then they are not engaging. That is why you have to post strategically on your WhatsApp status. Don't just be spamming them with product pictures in a row. From Monday to Monday, Monday to Sunday, you're just posting your product pictures. No other thing, no other type of content, just your product pictures. No, please. You have to show us different angles and different types of content that will keep us hooked. Keep on viewing your status. Okay? So if you want to find out the content ideas that you can post, about 10 of them, then click this particular video so that you can know the ideas, get the content ideas that you can post to use and hold them, hook them to your status so that they will watch. Not just about growing your audience, let them watch your status so that they will see what you're selling and buy from you and trust you. Also focus on building trust and relationship. So start now. Go and optimize your WhatsApp. Go and define your target audience and start applying these strategies today. Okay, I'm waiting for you. And also, don't forget to like, leave a comment. What is your key takeaway? What did you find interesting? What is your question? I'll be willing to answer you. Leave it in the comment section and also subscribe to this channel. Till I see you in the next one. Take care.